SOCHE is a go-to partner whenever we want younger people. I can say nothing but great stuff for SOCHE. We have like 10, I think, high schools students, juniors, seniors for the most part. I think there's a sophomore in the bunch someplace. And they are going to be involved with drone design and production, and it'll be a 3-day program. And again, another partner is Sinclair Community College, and they're going to be running the program, and it will be at our 444 location where they can actually fly drones inside, and then we're all going to the river and fly drones outside. So these are high schools, and they're top kids, and SOCHE got them all. Last year in the digital drone program, one of the senators from Ohio walked through the thing. He was so impressed with the kids. He said, "Wow, these kids from Ohio, and they're doing such good stuff." And there's nothing that pleases a politician from Ohio more than seeing any kind of activity. But young people, oh wow! So he connected it with STEM, and he connected it with the future workforce from Ohio. So we've had nothing but great experiences.